How to fix Streamlabs not open. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can also switch to your cellular data. Then what you can do is go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Streamlabs application. So let's check if we have an updated version. So as you can see, I don't have any option of update, so it means that my app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm gonna go back and then make a long press on Streamlabs, then tap on app info. As I tap on app info, you can see different options over here at the bottom of the screen. You can tap on clear data and clear cache and delete all data if it's possible for you. Then you can go to the app permission and you can toggle on all the required option for the application to work properly, and your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.